Hi there. Today, we're diving into something super important. How to increase white blood cells. Whether you're recovering from an illness, dealing with a health condition, or just trying to boost your immune system, white blood cells play a vital role in keeping you healthy. And the good news? You can take steps to naturally increase your white blood cell count. In this video, I'll break it down for you, step by step, and show you some science-backed ways to get those white blood cells flowing. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The easiest and quickest way to start increasing your white blood cell count is by loading up on vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body produce more white blood cells, which is exactly what you want. You can find vitamin C in foods like oranges, bell peppers, and spinach. According to a study published by the National Institutes of Health back in 2017, people who had higher vitamin C levels showed a greater number of white blood cells. So, start adding more of these foods to your daily meals. Try making a morning smoothie with spinach, oranges, and a squeeze of lemon. Zinc is another key player here. Zinc helps white blood cells function properly and fight off infection more effectively. A deficiency in zinc has been shown to lower your white blood cell count, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Foods rich in zinc include nuts, seeds, and chickpeas. There was an interesting piece of research done in 2020, published by Harvard Medical School, that showed zinc supplementation helped people, especially the elderly, boost their immune response. So, if you're not getting enough zinc through your food, it might be worth looking into supplements. Garlic isn't just great for flavor, it's also excellent for your immune system. Garlic has compounds that boost the activity of immune cells, including white blood cells. Research from the Journal of Immunology in 2015 found that people who regularly consumed garlic had increased immune activity. Add garlic to your meals as much as you can. You can even take garlic supplements if you prefer, but fresh garlic will always be more potent. Next up is ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which support a healthy immune response. It can stimulate your body to produce more white blood cells. You can incorporate ginger into your diet by adding fresh ginger to teas, smoothies, or even your cooking. Some herbal teas, like echinacea or turmeric tea, are known for helping stimulate immune function, including the production of white blood cells. A study from 2014 by the University of Maryland Medical Center found that echinacea, in particular, can help increase white blood cells and fight off infections. One of the most underrated ways to boost your white blood cell count is to get enough sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body's production of white blood cells can be reduced, making you more vulnerable to sickness. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. A 2019 study published in the journal Sleep Health showed that people who got less than 6 hours of sleep per night had a significantly lower number of white blood cells. So, if you're struggling with sleep, create a calming bedtime routine, maybe dim the lights, use an eye mask, or play some soothing white noise to help you relax. Exercise is another great way to boost your immune system, but you want to be careful here. Moderate exercise, like a 30-minute brisk walk or light resistance training, has been shown to increase white blood cell production. A study published by the American Journal of Medicine in 2018 found that regular moderate exercise boosted immune function. But be cautious, too much intense exercise can actually lower your white blood cells temporarily. So, stick to something moderate, like 30 minutes of activity most days of the week. Hydration is crucial. Drinking enough water helps your body produce lymph, which carries white blood cells and other immune system cells throughout your body. Aim for about 8 glasses of water a day. You can add lemon or cucumber for flavor if plain water feels boring. Another little-known tip is to take probiotics. Your gut health is directly linked to your immune system. In fact, a large percentage of your immune system resides in your gut, and healthy gut bacteria can help produce more white blood cells. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt with live cultures or a good probiotic supplement can make a big difference. Finally, reducing stress is essential. Chronic stress has been shown to decrease the number of white blood cells and weaken your immune system. Take time each day to practice stress relief techniques. This could be deep breathing exercises, meditation, or even writing in a journal. A study by Stanford University in 2020 revealed that people who regularly practiced mindfulness had a significantly higher count of white blood cells compared to those who didn't. Even just a few minutes of deep breathing or meditation can help lower stress levels and improve immune function. So there you have it. 8 simple but effective steps to increase your white blood cell count and keep your immune system in top shape. It's all about a balanced diet, regular sleep, moderate exercise, and managing stress. None of these are hard to implement, but they can have a massive impact on your health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this with someone who could use an immune boost. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or other tips you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.